How to make a Pinterest account, sign in Pinterest. So if you want to make a Pinterest account and maybe sign into Pinterest app as well, all you have to do is simply open up the Pinterest application here. Once you do this, by default it will ask you to continue with your Google or Facebook, but if you want to also create an independent account, you can simply enter an email address that is associated with your account or maybe the new account that you want to create. Then tap the continue option. Then it will ask you to simply create a password. So you can simply go ahead and then create any password you want to. Tap on the next option, verify your account to do so. Otherwise, you can directly create or sign in using your Facebook or your Google account. By simply tapping on either of these options, you'll be able to select it and log in or either create a new account for your Pinterest app. This way you'll be able to make a Pinterest account or sign into it. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.